The current debate about gun control is one manifestation of Uranus square Pluto, the clash between freedom, chaos, and order and control. Add Saturn and Scorpio to the mix, and paranoia, power plays, and shady business deals are a larger part of the picture. There is no love in this equation, patriotic love of family and country notwithstanding. And if we fear a final solution, we may magnetize that to us because of our attachment and addiction to pain, separation, and powerlessness. Likewise, we can find an enemy wherever we look should we fail to own our own inner shadow. Duality and projection are amplified during the current Yod configuration of Jupiter in Gemini, Saturn in Scorpio, and Pluto in Capricorn. When Obama mentioned in his relatively progressive State of the Union speech that right now the country who attacked us on 9/11 is a shambles of its original self, was he inadvertently talking about us? Once again, who is the enemy and who is the perpetrator? The key to understanding duality is that it is false. There are many polarities, but we are all one and the same, and everything eventually turns in on itself and becomes the other. Any identification with one side or the other continues to exaggerate the split and makes unity an impossibility. And fighting for peace is just as insane as loving violence. Another fallout regarding weapons of mass destruction is the creation of martyrs, starting from the victims of violent crime, to war casualties, to suicide bombers, to cop killers with a manifesto. Martyrdom and illusion and victimization are all variations on a Neptune in Pisces theme, and this energy will be very powerful for the next 13 years. In the previous Neptune in Pisces cycle of the 1850s and 1860s, slavery was abolished. Now it might be time to abolish our slavery and addiction to violence, fear, extreme emotion, revenge, and bloodlust. Additionally, Neptune with Chiron in Pisces will amplify the use of medications, paranoia, delusions, and dark visions of the future. Let us own the fact that much of the fear on the part of the military and the nation and our families are projections of our own inner split or attraction to negativity. The inverse of Neptune in Pisces is universal, unconditional love, and this is the manifestation to which we should aspire. In this way, we can awaken from this nightmare of terror and move toward integration of a more secure, love-filled, and meaningful life. Dream the dream, Neptune, and it can be so. I'm meta-astrologer Patrice Kamens.